I love knitting socks. I love knitting, but socks are fantastic. And in order to properly block your socks, if you're a knitter, you know what I'm talking about. I got these nice sock blockers. They come in a 2-pack, and you can get them in small, medium, which is about 1 inch longer than the small, and the large, which is again another about 1 inch longer. So, and the widths are a little bit different too on the small, medium, and large. So it just depends on foot size. So I'm going to show you how they work. This is my size. I wear a lady size 9, and so I'm going to use the medium. The small would be for, you know, a small shoe, like maybe a 5 or a 6, or maybe a child sock. And then the large would be for like a men's sock. So you just slide it in. What I usually do, and this is, you know, personal preference, you can soak your socks in some warm water and lanolin soap, or, you know, some wool-friendly soap, and then just put them on to dry. I like to take a steamer. I like to put them on right after I knit them, and then just steam them, and I steam block them. And it works terrific, and it fits perfectly. This, again, this is a size 9, 9.5 sock on the medium sock blocker. If you're doing men's, I would get the large. If you're doing kid socks or a small women's shoe, I would get the small. I have all three, and I've used them all, and it's terrific. They come off perfectly. You can even hang them on a pegboard, which is handy in your craft room, and grab them. They're great.